At this time I would like to bring up a bunch of pictures that are related to my course. And rather than just uploading one at a time, I'm going to upload a group. But before you can do that, you need to be able to create a batch file or a zip file. So let me show you how to do that. In this folder I have, it's called Medium, I have 8 pictures that are related for my class. So I'm going to back off that a little bit and I'm going to see this folder here. So I'm using Windows. So I'm going to right click that folder and I'm going to say send to a compressed zip file. And you can see down here on the bottom that it created a medium zip file. Alright, so I'm going to come back to that in a minute. I'm going to go back to Moodle, and on the bottom where it says My Private Files, I'm going to say Manage My Private Files. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to select, I want to add a file. I'm going to browse for it. And in this, I see this medium zip. I'm going to select from that folder that medium zip and say open. I'm going to say upload this file. I could save it as anything, but right now I'm just going to say upload this file. And I can see here the medium zip file is uploaded. If I right click this and select unzip, it will unzip a new folder right here called medium zip. So if I double click that, you can see all the pictures that I had in over there. I'm going to say save changes, and my pictures have been saved. Now I could say manage my private files again. I could get rid of this medium zip, so I'm going to right click that and say delete this and say, are you sure you want to do that? I'm going to say yes, save the changes, and now on the bottom I can see that I have a new folder and it's got all the pictures that I wanted in here. If I wanted to get rid of this thumb DB as well, I could do that as well. Just go back and do it the same way. Manage my private files, go to Medium, select, right click and say delete. You want to delete this file? Yes. And then say save changes, and that's how you can upload a bunch of files. But you got to remember you have to zip them first, and it's always a good idea to not make them large files. So if you have a photo editing software, you want to make sure that all the files are reasonable size and that they work on a web page.